Hey guys, we did it. We're halfway, if you can believe that. Um, Welcome to lesson 7. And again, just a quick overview of what we're looking at this week. We're going to be in chapter 5, starting in section 6, where we ended last week, going through chapter 6, section 3. And so go through these lectures, the video lectures. Do all the I highly recommend the practice quizzes. Go through those multiple times if you need to. Familiarize yourselves with the concepts. Um, and if you are struggling with any of the concepts, please take advantage of um, our first and foremost our class discussion board. And give your fellow students an opportunity to help you. And I think for those of you who looked last week, I gave an extra credit opportunity. One of our classmates asked some questions, and gave an extra credit opportunity to any students who were willing to provide an answer and explanation. I'll go ahead and do the same thing this week. If any students have any questions, I'm willing to give 10 points extra credit on this week's quiz for students who are willing to give a good answer and explanation and help out their classmates, if that makes sense. So there's an opportunity for you this week. Also, if you need the extra help, Zach is available. He's posted a few times the instructions on how to schedule a tutoring session with him. So go back and look at that and take advantage of that opportunity. He's there to help you. He's awesome. Highly recommend you guys take advantage of that. If needed, if you guys feel like after all that, if we need to have a continuing session every week, an open office hour where we can all get together, let me know if you think that would be a good idea. Probably set it up to where we can submit questions beforehand. We'll meet together and discuss those. So let me know your thoughts. Email me your thoughts, and we'll see how best we can tackle this. Let's see. Also, in addition to the readings, we're starting our third exploration activity. I believe this is the last one for the semester. And so part 2 will be next week. And then you have quiz number 4. So best prep for the quiz, again, is those practice quizzes and test out. So your readings this week, take advantage of and use all the practice quizzes that come up. And once you get those down, the quizzes should be pretty easy. So thanks, guys. Thanks for all your hard work. Again, remember the extra credit opportunity this week. If any of your fellow students ask questions, those students who answer and explain and do a good job explaining will get extra credit on this week's quiz. Also, I guess I'll open it up. If any student wants to do a short video lecture and post in the discussion board, like say for example a student wanted to explain some subnetting concepts, just a short 5-minute video covering some aspect of subnetting. Let's see, how much extra credit would that be worth? I'd be willing. Let's start. I'll think about it, but I think it's definitely worth 20% of a quiz grade if you're willing to do that. So short video lecture, just like I'm doing here. Walk through an explanation of subnetting or something similar that other students may be struggling with. Willing to do that, it's 20% of a quiz grade. I did that last semester and it worked out pretty well. So extra credit opportunities galore, so take advantage. And good luck this week. Thanks, guys.